Good morning, everybody. Chris 70 with 70 Investments and co-host of the Good Deeds Note Investing podcast. Hope you're all doing well today. Two little quick tips I want to share with you today as we wrapped up 2018 and start 2019. As a lot of people wrapping up their taxes, and two tips that I'll throw out there for people that I think would be very valuable is when you're issuing a check to a joint venture partner, make sure you dictate how much is principal and how much is interest in each payment. It can either be done as two checks or right on the memo of the check or somewhere that you keep records of it, because at the end of the year, you need to break out how much was principal or how much was back to their equity, how much was interest on what the partner potentially could be taxed at. The other component or thing to do is, if you use a servicer, which you all should be using, they'll issue you a 1099 interest for the year. And what you should do is, I know I use Madison under their investor portal. You can run reports to see how much interest was collected by each loan. And you should cross-reference that with your books as well, just to make sure your books are in line with how much principal and interest you've gotten or received, because depending on your deal with your JV partner and how their paybacks go, you want to make sure everything's accurate. So that's another way to check for accuracy. So two things. One is make sure, again, check when you're sending out payments, break it down principal and interest. I like to just send it as two checks, honestly, through my bill pay. And then secondly is check with your 1099 interest. Run the report through your portal if you have it, just to see each loan, what you had, to make sure everything lines up and matches. So those are my tips for today. Feel free to leave feedback or ask any questions, and I can try and answer them for you. Thank you. Have a good day.